Welcome back to our magic tutorials for chemistry. We'll discuss the next property of alcohols, that is reactions involving the cleavage of CO bond. Right. So when the cleavage of CO bond happens, at that time alcohols, they are treated as, or they act as electrophile. Let's check that. So we'll take the example of a primary alcohol, ROH, it is primary. It is treated with H2SO4. 443 Kelvin is the temperature. Heating is done in the presence of catalyst aluminium oxide or zinc chloride. The product formed is alkene and water is removed. Why water is removed? Because sulfuric acid, it is a dehydrating agent. So this reaction is a dehydration reaction also, right? So primary alcohols, when they react with sulfuric acid, water is the byproduct and alkene it is formed. So we have the mechanism for this reaction. We'll check that. Okay, same product alkene will be formed from primary alcohol. So I'll take one example of primary alcohol. The mechanism involves 3 steps. I'll remove this also. The mechanism has 3 steps. The first one is formation of protonated alcohol. Formation of protonated alcohol. So we are taking the example of a primary alcohol here. I'll write the example CH3CH2OH. Correct? Primary alcohol I have taken. Then oxygen, we know it has 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay. Into this we are adding an acid H plus, right? H2SO4. So what it will form here? This H plus it will attach with the oxygen lone pair, right? So it will form CH3, CH2, oxygen, hydrogen. One lone pair will remain as it is and hydrogen has attached. Now what is the name of this compound? It is 2 carbon are there. What is the group attached? Ethyl group. So it is ethyl. Oxygen making 3 bonds. So it gets a positive sign. Making 3 bonds. Right. So it is oxonium ion. So the name is ethyl oxonium ion. So in the mechanism, the first step is formation of protonated alcohol. Alcohol having one proton, H, right? So it is ethyl oxonium ion. Second step is formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. Now again I'll write that product here. CH3, CH2, oxygen with 1 lone pair. Hydrogen is attached, correct? It is having H plus. Why? Because it is making 3 bonds. Now carbocation means what we are learning here, CO bond breaking, CO, right? So C and O bond will break here. What is removed from here? H2O will be removed. What is left here? CH3CH2. Carbon valence is not satisfied. Positive sign. What is formed here? Carbocation is formed. Right? Okay. Third step. Now what we have to do here? One hydrogen has to be removed, right? We have added protonated. One proton we added in the first step. So in the third step it has to be removed. Okay. So I'll write this carbocation again. CH3. CH2 plus carbocation. Okay. What it will do? It will remove one hydrogen. So hydrogen H plus is removed. If H plus is removed from this carbon, what it will form? CH2. CH2. What it is? How will you write this? CH2. CH2. How many bond? 2. Alkene is produced. Correct? That means sulfuric acid, it is helping in dehydration process, removal of water, removal of proton, right? It is taking part and getting removed finally forming the alkene product. So this is the mechanism, easy mechanism. Protonated alcohol, first step, where hydrogen is attached to alcohol. Second is carbocation, where water will be removed, CH3, CH2 plus. Third step is removal of proton or elimination of proton. Make a note of it, all the three steps of the mechanism, that is dehydration of alcohols mechanism. Let's see the reaction with tertiary alcohols and secondary alcohols. So first I have written the example of a secondary alcohol. So that is OH attached to carbon, that carbon is attached to two other carbons, so that is secondary. This is tertiary, OH attached to carbon, that carbon is attached to three other carbons, so that is tertiary. Okay. Secondary and tertiary, they undergo dehydration process under mild conditions itself. So these are the conditions I have written here. Secondary with 85% of phosphoric acid, H3PO4, again a dehydrating agent at 440 Kelvin temperature. Tertiary alcohols at 20% of phosphoric acid at 358 Kelvin temperature. So under mild conditions itself, secondary and tertiary alcohols will undergo dehydration. Correct. For primary we have seen the mechanism also. Here no mechanism, only the reaction. Okay. Dehydration, that means again water will be removed. So from where the water is removed, from which carbon? So OH group is attached, right? Water has two parts, no? OH and H. OH will be removed from the group itself, functional group, and one of the hydrogen from any one of the carbon. So if I remove it from this carbon, one hydrogen, now check the valency of each carbon. I will write the CH3, correct? Then C, one hydrogen, then one carbon. One hydrogen is removed from here. Now what is the valency of each carbon? Check it. C, here it is 3, CH3, single bond, CH. This carbon making only 3 bonds, this carbon making 3 bonds. So I will put a double bond between the carbon atoms. Okay. So it becomes CH2. Right? It is an alkene product, double bond is there, so it is an alkene product. What is the name of the compound? 3 carbons are there. So it is propene, prop 1-ene, propene. Water is removed. Correct? Same way here. Phosphoric acid dehydrating agent, water is removed. So OH will be removed from here. Okay, OH is removed. Now H from any one of these carbons can be removed. I will remove it from here. So it will become CH3. Then C. This CH3 as it is. Over here, one hydrogen is removed here. So it is C and H. I am just writing to show you how many bonds you have to put. Okay. Now check this. This carbon making 4 bonds, done. This carbon making 4 bonds, valency over. This carbon making how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. This carbon making how many bonds? 1, 2. Right. So here it will be a double bond. Just write it together. You get it as CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH2. Right. So the OH group you remove. Remember like this, OH is present, no, water has 2 parts, H plus and OH. So OH you remove and one of the hydrogen you take it from the alkyl groups attached. Fine. And check for the valency of the carbon, put there a double bond. Anyway, alkene product will be formed. Make a note of this reaction. This is not required, just for explanation. The main product you can write it in this way.